What do you want me to do now? Chug a beer? Okay. Whatever you fucking want. What do you guys want now? You're all I fucking got. What do you want now? Shoot? You want me to fucking shoot? Well, I don't have a fucking gun. Hey, Battle Cam. You want to come play? Come to the downtown Marriott Hotel and come fucking play. Play with that. I'm not afraid to tell you where the fuck I am. I'm not afraid to tell you where the fuck they are. I can't remember where the fuck they are, but it's on Sunset. Find them on Sunset in Hollywood. It's a little fucking shit hotel. Oh, walk more and eat less. Thank you. Fucking thank you. Oh my god.